Agripak, 25 years of trust, innovation, and agricultural excellence. For 25 years, Agripak Group has been revolutionizing farming with high-quality tractors and agricultural machinery. Agripak is now a globally recognized brand, trusted by farmers and dealers worldwide. Agripak specializes in export version MF tractors, built for power, fuel efficiency, and durability. Led by 2 generations of visionary leadership, we continues to uphold values of excellence, trust, and innovation, ensuring farmers get the best equipment for their fields. Every tractor undergoes rigorous testing before shipment, ensuring unmatched quality and reliability. With a strong global supply chain and a dedicated office in UAE, Agripak makes tractor procurement smooth and hassle-free for international buyers. Our high-precision farming implements are designed to maximize farm productivity, offers a perfect synergy between Agripak tractors and modern farming needs. The future is bright. Agripak is committed to expanding into new global markets and introducing next-generation tractors, helping farmers achieve more with cutting-edge technology. Agripak, 25 years of trust, innovation, and agricultural excellence. Join us in shaping the future of farming.